Well, I purchased the did, which is this, and when it comes with a metal tank, which is there. It's alright, but the one thing you can't see is how much juice you've got. So Kir Fanis came out with the clear window, which is obviously there, and it's a brilliant thing because you know when you're running out of juice and it stops you getting the dry burn and that acrid taste. So I was really glad that I bought that. I didn't buy it from where I bought the did from because I don't think we were doing them at the time, but you get two of these for about £16 or something like that. Can't remember how much I paid, but it's well worth the investment. It seriously is. Something that makes the did just that little bit more special. Once you get the did working fine, and I really like it, the clear window just tops it off. So yeah, I recommend anyone that's got the did to buy one of these, because it'll just make it that bit more special than what it is. And it's just a short one. I just wanted to give you my opinion on it. So there it is. There you go. Lovely little thing is that. Okay guys,